Hi, Jan here, and welcome to today's forest bathing 30-day nature tonic, where I take you out into my local woods and share with you the bounty of nature and spring unfolding. Today is a sunny blue sky kind of a day, but there's a strong wind, and I'm out looking for a lovely sheltered spot to have a self-isolating tea party by myself. And on the way I stopped at this beautiful little pond here. It's one of my favourite places. The pond is behind me there, and this is a ditch that's leading into the pond. And I just had the most thrilling experience. As I approached the pond, there was a lot of commotion. So there were some ducks on the pond doing a bit of courting. They flew off, and what was left was a little moorhen, usually quite a retiring water bird, very small, and she was agitated. She was more agitated about something else than about me, and I couldn't understand what was happening. And then I saw the stoat. So if you don't know stoats, they are little creatures in the otter family. They're about so big, nose to tail. Land creatures, fierce and strong and fast and sheer poetry in motion to watch. They're like snakes, and oh, they're just such amazing movers. The little moorhen was chasing away the stoat. Amazing, such courage. He could have had her like that if he'd wanted. So she was fiercely protecting something. She must have a nest around here. I've come away from the pond so as not to disturb her. Such a drama to watch before my eyes. She chased it away. I wasn't fast enough to catch it on camera. I just feasted my eyes. And then I stood quietly by the tree, just taking in the moment, watching the pond, and I saw the stoat start to come round the pond. I caught a little bit of him or her. What I didn't catch was the funny bit, because I could see what was coming. It was coming round the edge of the pond. It was going to come round the tree where I was standing, and it did. Got the shock of its life and ran away. But sadly I had the camera pointing at a different part of the tree and I didn't capture it. But I hope you can imagine this little furry face. It was 2 feet away from my feet. What a privilege. I'm going to go back to the pond now and sit there and watch and see what unfolds. Well, the day has turned and now it's windy and cloudy and I think it's going to rain. So I'm abandoning my tea party. I'll come another day. And that Stoat was enough excitement for one day. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.